Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, how are you today? I hope you are in a good condition, yeah. Okay, for today, this is the third meeting of our lecture for English, yeah. So today we are going to have a text about something about mathematical sentence. Yeah, so it deals with how we read something relate to the symbols in mathematical symbols. Yeah, it is still the basic symbols. But before that, I would like you to read a text about mathematical sentence. Okay, let's start reading the text. A mathematical sentence containing an equal sign is an equation. The two parts of an equation are called its members. A mathematical sentence that is either true or false but not both is called as a closed sentence. To decide whether a closed sentence containing an equal sign is true or false, we check to see that both elements and members of the sentence name the same number. To decide whether a closed sentence containing an unequal sign is true or false, we check to see that both elements do not name the same number. The relation of equality between two numbers satisfies the following basic axiom for the numbers a, b, and c. This is called as reflexive when a is equal to a. This is symmetric if a is equal to b, then b is equal to a. This is transitive if A is equal to B and B is equal to C and then A is equal to C. While the symbol equal in an arithmetic sentence means is equal to, another symbol in equal mean is not equal to. When an equal sign is replaced by an not equal sign, the opposite meaning is implied. Thus, 8 is equal to 11 subtracted to 3 is read 8 is equal to 11 minus 3 while 9 is added by 6 is not equal to 13 is read 9 plus 6 is not equal to 13. The important feature about a sentence involving numeral is that it is either true or false, but not both. There is nothing incorrect about writing a false sentence. In fact, in some mathematical proofs, it is essential that you write a false sentence. We already know that if we draw one short line across the symbol equal, we change it to not equal. The symbol not equal implies either of two things is greater than or is less than. In other words, the sign not equal in 3 plus 4 is not equal to 6. Tell us that numerals 3 is added by 4 and 6 name different numbers, but does not tell us which numeral names the greater or the lesser of the two numbers. To know which of the two number is greater, let us use the conventional symbol less than or greater than. Less than is less than, while more greater than means is greater than. These are inequality symbols because they indicate order of numbers. 6 is less than 7 is read 6 is less than 7. 29 is greater than 3 is read 29 is greater than 3. The signs which express equality or inequality, equal, not equal, less than and greater than are called the relation symbols because they indicate how two expressions are related. So here we have mathematical sentence. You can practice these basic symbols on the way they read. We have symbol plus. We can speak that plus or positive. Minus, speak minus or negative. We have x or dot. We call it as multiplies or times. We have the sign of this one divided by. Okay, and the next we have the symbol plus or minus. We have the symbol of equals or equals to, and this is does not equals or not equal to. And for this symbol we call it as identical to, and for this is equivalent to. And for these symbols we call it less than or equal to, and for this symbol is less than. And this one much less than, and for this one greater than or equal to, and this one is greater than. And we have a grammar here, comparative degree. Yeah, we have er or es. The example taller or and tallest, the tallest. And then here we have example of happier and the happiest. And for more and most, we have more expensive and the most expensive. The notes here is you can add one or two syllable word for and es. Okay, for more than three syllable words you can use more and the most. So this is the most means that paling, or for this one the additional element er, yeah, or more, has the meaning lebih, ya. The examples lebih mahal, ini paling mahal. Okay. Okay, we go to the next. This is similar or in the same level. We can use as, and then as many as much as, and the same as, similar to, the same. We have example here, as beautiful as, artinya secantik, ya. And as much as possible, sebanyak mungkin, as much as possible. Atau as diligent as, sepintar. So the level is in the same, yeah. And then we use this one, yeah, can be put with then. It means that we compare something with the other things. Okay, the example is she is taller than me. Dia lebih tinggi daripada saya. Jadi di sini er maknanya adalah lebih dan than-nya itu daripada. Oke. The cap is more expensive than mine. Topi itu lebih mahal daripada punyaku. Ini mine, ya. More expensive because expensive consists of 3 syllable, 3 suku kata, expensive. Jadi yang dipakai adalah more. Kalau ingin menjelaskan topi itu paling mahal, the cap is the most expensive. Okay, and then this one we use fewer than. The number of chairs is fewer than the number of tables. Okay, so that is the example of comparative degree and superlative. Comparative means perbandingan. Kalau superlatif artinya yang palingnya. Okay, for the exercise, I have two exercise here. Yang pertama, write the comparative and superlative of the words below. Ya, jadi kalian harus menuliskan bagaimana bentuk komparatifnya dan bagaimana bentuk superlatifnya. Ingat bahwa komparatif kalian tinggal menambahkan er setelah kata tersebut. Ingat kalau suku katanya itu terdiri dari satu atau dua, maka tambahannya adalah er. Ya, tapi bisa memungkinkan jika kata yang dipakainya itu ditambahkan dengan more. Contohnya more happy, ya. Lalu yang berikutnya ada new, soon, convenient, easily, tiny, complex, good, and bad. Jadi kalian tuliskan ya bagaimana bentuk superlatifnya dan bagaimana bentuk komparatifnya ya. Setelah kalian membuat komparatif dan superlatif dari kata-kata tersebut, maka kalian tuangkan dalam bentuk kalimat. Oke, tuangkan dalam bentuk kalimat seperti contoh yang saya contohkan sebelumnya ya. Dalam penjelasan kalian bisa review ke bagian yang sebelumnya ya. Oke, itu saja untuk materi hari ini. Kalian bisa pelajari ulang. Untuk pengumpulannya nanti saja karena kita akan adakan pertemuan offline ya. Disimpan dulu, ditulis dulu saja latihannya, nanti kita bahas di kelas. Oke, that's all from me today and thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.